Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining us here on this Friday. It's been a hot week. It's been a stormy week. So, of course, that trend is continuing today. Here on our Coronado Skycam, we're looking generally off to the north to a couple of stronger to an isolated severe thunderstorm. This is what we're looking at right here. And within the last couple of minutes, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning. Get you a few details on this. Lifting to the north at generally 30 miles per hour, including parts of Polk and Trail counties. Right over Hillsboro at this time, a strongest just on the southwestern part of town, lifting across parts of Polk and Trail counties. Again, this warning now into effect until 4:45. Wind and hail being the primary threats. You can see hail up to the size of a quarter, 1 inch in diameter, and some winds gusting around 60 miles per hour. The radar indicated hail is showing that hail just off to the west of I-29, lifting towards Hillsboro, so might be seeing some smaller hail with this storm. Not seeing, at least radar indicated, large severe criteria hail, but something to watch regardless. A couple of stronger storms across the northern Red River Valley, stretching from just north of Fargo through Page and Mayville, and then back up towards Maddock and Harvey as well. You see this right here? That is called an outflow boundary. It's pushing some rain-cooled air back away from the storm. And as we mentioned yesterday, this could have an impact on our temperatures. Regardless, first alert weather days continue through Sunday for some heat. Before that rain-cooled air pushed into Fargo, we did reach a high of 90 degrees. We have since fallen a couple of degrees. We're back to 88. We were at 85, so kind of bouncing around in the mid and upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Feels like 89 with that humidity at 43%. Moorhead currently 88, while 89 in Grand Forks feels like 90. Wind is out of the east, gusting to 21 miles per hour. Temperatures are hottest right through the Central Valley and Southern Valley as anticipated. 88 in Langdon, Jamestown, Oaks, and in Wadena. Currently at 90 in Sisseton. Here's what to anticipate the rest of the evening. These thunderstorms are going to continue, generally lifting to the north, pretty slow moving. So heavy rain, another threat, just like the last couple of days, along with that small hail and gusty wind threat. For this evening, most of the storms fade away by around sunset, but still might see a hit or miss shower through the early overnight period. Decreasing storms through the overnight, but by tomorrow morning might see a little bit of fog pushing in with plenty of moisture to work with in our atmosphere and winds going light. Skies primarily clear. Temperatures tomorrow morning in the 60s to near 70 degrees. And it's another rinse and repeat kind of forecast. Might see a hit or miss shower through the early part of the day, but the thunderstorm chances once again start to increase with peak heating. So the mid to late afternoon hours as temperatures soar into the 80s and 90s again. And once again, anticipating most of the heat right through the central Red River Valley. Widespread severe, not as expected, but again, just like the last couple of days, can't rule out an isolated strong to severe storm with wind and hail being those primary threats. Your planning forecast, 96 the forecast for tomorrow in Fargo, 97 Sunday. But just like we saw today, the placement and timing of thunderstorms can have an impact on our temperature. So likely remaining a little cooler than anticipated for today, but still several hot days, Alex, and looking less stormy next week.
That's so beautiful.
It really is.